Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Divide your study time into structured blocks and treat each block as a mini exam preparation session. Use 50-minute focused study blocks with a 10-minute break. Before each block, set a single achievable goal and remove distractions like phone notifications and social media. Schedule spaced repetition sessions at 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 14 days to move facts into long-term memory. Set clear goals. Read 1 chapter, summarize 500 words, and do 20 practice questions to measure progress and guide review. Adopt a consistent note system that supports review and active recall. This reduces passive rereading. Use Cornell note format, cues, notes, and a 100-word summary to condense each lecture or chapter. Create diagrams and label with exact measurements when possible, like 5 mm scale bars or 1 cm scale bars for microscopes, to link visuals with numbers. Use textbooks, peer-reviewed articles, and online lectures for varied perspectives, and record exact page or timestamp references for quick review and evidence-based understanding. Prioritize active practice over passive review by using question banks and timed sessions that simulate exam conditions. Do 50 timed practice questions in a 2-hour session to build stamina and identify weak topics. After practice, review mistakes and create targeted mini-lessons to fill gaps. Teach a peer for 30 minutes to test comprehension and retention. Explaining concepts out loud clarifies thinking. Apply mnemonic techniques like loci or acronyms, e.g., HOMES for 5 lakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.